Becoming a self made millionaire is not easy, but there are key decisions that separate those who succeed from those who don't. These are not decisions made overnight. These are life changing choices that require courage, discipline, and shift in mindset. If you want to know the secret behind their success, here are 12 decisions that every self made millionaire had to make on their journey. The first decision is to take full responsibility for their life. Self made millionaires understand that nothing in life is handed to them. They don't blame circumstances, other people, on their environment. They take full ownership of their situation, which gives them the power to change it. Second, they decide to stop trading time for money. This is a huge shift. Millionaires understand that there's a limit to how much money you can make by working for someone else. Instead, they focus on building systems, creative passive income streams, and scaling their wealth. Third, they made the decision to invest in themselves instead of spending money on temporary pleasures. They put into learning, developing skills, and growing their network. Whether it's attending seminars, hiring mentors, or reading books, they prioritize self education over entertainment. The fourth decision is to embrace failure. This is a big one. Most people fear failure and try to avoid it at all costs. But for self-made millionaire, failure is not setback. It's a part of process. They know that failing fast and learning from mistake is the fastest way to success. Fifth, they decided to surround themselves with the right people. Millionaires understand that who you spend the time with directly impacts your success. They actively seek out people who challenge them, inspire them, and push them to be better. They avoid negative influence and surrounded themselves with those who have growth mindset. The sixth decision they made was to focus on long-term goals. Unlike most people who are stuck in the day-to-day, millionaire thinks years or decades ahead. They prioritize their long-term vision over short-term gratification, making decisions that align with where they want to be in 5, 10, or 20 years. Seventh, they made the decision to take calculated risk. Millionaires don't gamble, but they understand that wealth doesn't come without risk. Whether it's investing in business, stocks, or a new idea, they know that the bigger the risk, the bigger the reward. If done strategically, the eighth decision is to master their money. Self-made millionaires don't spend without thinking. They control their finance. They understand that managing money is just as important as earning it. Ninth, they decide to become their own boss. They knew that true financial freedom comes from owning their own business or investments. Self-employment or entrepreneurship is not easy, but for them it was the only path to true wealth. 10th, they made the decision to never stop learning. Is the fast-paced world for business and finance, the most successful people are lifelong learners. They commit to staying updated, continuously improving and adapting new trends or technology. They follow routines, stick to their plans, and avoid distractions. This discipline keeps them focused on their goals and ensures they stay on track